Hello everybody, how are you? Hello my friends from all around the world. Hola a todos los que me están escuchando. And I want to introduce you for my workshop for today. And I want to explain how I work, how the DJ works with the Antelope audio cards and MODEL1 through Traktor and through Ableton, and how is different ways to work. So when I choose this brand, the MODEL1, I am looking for the best audio cards in the market. So you know that we are DJs, we look another DJ and producer why he are using Antelope audio, just like DJs like Nicole Moldover, Richie Houghton, Howard Luciano, a lot of DJs are using, and I will explain how you can work with this audio card and how it's different with other. The first different is now we are working just only with 3 cables directly to our mixer, and with these 3 cables I have 24 channels. I have 16 for the outputs and 8 for the input, and this is the only mixer with the only balance. With this I have 2 DSAV connected in my audio card with my Antelope. I will connect it with the DSAV. This is a connector with the 8 channels, balanced 8 channels. This is the big difference than the other audio cards, and we have this. And now I will show you how I configure it for Traktor and for the Ableton Live. And in my first part today I will talk to you about how I work with this audio card in Traktor. For start, I will show you the very friendly configurations for the audio card. And now I am working with the USB play. You see the logo here from the USB, and at this moment I am playing 2 channels, and the audio card support 8 channels from 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 7, and 8, right? And just only you need to put it on the US plays. You select these 8 channels and you put it on to the line out. With the line out, you will you have to move, and it's connected to the line output. The difference with this audio card have 32 channels to in and 32 channels to output. This is a lot. When you connect it through Thunderbolt cables, you have 32, but now I am connected with USB, just only I have 24. But for me, it's a lot of. But I will show you how we how we connect everything. Just I will back to the Traktor. I will put it on this other something loop. Now I can see everything sound in my audio card. With the levels, I can put in all these levels, and I will see all this in the display front of the Antelope. And with the configuration to the Traktor, just I need to go for the audio setup. In audio setup, I need to know. Okay, I have different audio cards. The Orion 32, the 3rd generation. I will change everything this with different sample rate. When you buy the tracks with your favorite stores, all the wave or AAF files you will buy in 44.1 kilohertz. And when I make my master for my tracks, all the time I make in 88.2 kilohertz. This is the way that I work. Okay, and now I will to show you how I connect for my Orion, because when I use with the MODEL1 mixer, I use with this mixer I have my channel A and B in the center, I C and D in the other side. Okay, but if you want to use A, B, C, or D, whatever you want, just this is my way to work, and I have these two channels free for sound effects and other things. But in this moment, I am using like this. Just I need to change all the information and how it works. I have my deck A in 2 and 3. I have 24 channels, say this 23 because it started on 0, and I get the configuration for that with my USB output. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1 is the channel 1 of my mixer, is the channel 1 in my mixer, the line C, and then I have other controller I will show you too. And this is simple, just only you need to connect how you want. Okay, and Traktor have 4 channels and I need 8 channels to send. When I send all of this, I am use the other track more here, I think. And the best way to work and the difference to work with Antelope is because all the hardware processing will happen in the audio card, just not happen in your laptop. Just with this reason, when I open my Antelope, I will open this file, right? If I want to, for example, at this moment I have 3 channels of the Traktor. I want to, I don't know, I want to make the compressors. I want to make making a cue for the channel directly from my audio card. Just, I don't have any processor in my laptop, just all the processor will be on my audio card. This is the best because you can select the channels and you put it on the effects, and you can select the 3 and 4, for example, and I can get more highs, or some little middle on the other like this. This is only the, I will put it on the clear. This is the difference. You heard? And I can use other classic EQ, and I can put it on the mastering with like a compressor for each channel. I can put all this in each of the channels. I can copy all of that, and you can select for the channel 1, 2. I will add 3 and 4 is my 2 channels. The 5 and 6 I put it on link. I get the master, the laser. I get the vintage EQ like the DK69 is another one. Or I get the other like the clear EQ. If I want to move this for other chain, I can move just only first the EQ and then the mastering. Like this is a compressor and this is the other EQ. I can get the bypass or wherever. I can use in 5 and 6. I can use in 3 and 4. I can use in 1 and 2. I will show you the difference from this kick and the other one. The 5 and 6. I want to put it on more high with the clear EQ. To hear the difference. Hear that? And I have the same track in the other one without nothing, just in 1 and 2 I get in bypass. If I don't want to use, I can remove that. I can use like this. One way to work with the audio card, you can put in your 4 channels different type of processing. In my case, I usually use the compressor and this change. Compressor, one EQ very digital and the other more analog. If you hear the same track without all of this is the difference, you know? And all this processing happening on the audio card. This is incredible because you know that if you want to set up all this information through some controllers, you only need to connect. You go to control mode at the CDJ 3000 and you will use all your music. You can make it everything just here and you select and you play that. And you will use it. For this reason, something I think that is better to use. You heard that? At this moment is the synchro bit. To remove that, and I can use all the functions. If I want to get with a little loop, I can use it with the best way, like this. But now is you're working with the external device, but controller via USB, and you see the waveform in your CDJ. This is other way to work, and you are not seeing all the time the screen. You know, you can get close the laptop. I close it here, and you can work with only with this to get the different tracks if you wanna look at just whatever. And then if you have other controllers like the K2 from Allen & Heath, you can get I put it on here, the effects. With this is the dry, the on and off of the effects, and I have the synchro. So if I want to use different tracks with the 4 channels, with this controller you can make everything. At this time I have the 4 channels playing different tracks. This is one of the way to work. This is one way to work with the MODEL1 and the Antelope interface, the audio card, CDJ 3000, the MODEL1 and the K2 to use. Just now I'm using only 4 channels. Okay, and the next part that I want to tell you is about, okay, with my MODEL1 I have 4 channels with the Traktor, and now I will add the effects from my send from my MODEL1. I will send to internal effects by the software. Which software I choose is the Ableton. With Ableton I use it for different effects because it's more granular and more. It's amazing that how many effects you can put it on. I select just only 2 at this moment, and I will show you how I connect the same audio card, okay, with the Ableton. And we need to go for the preference. At preference, I will use all the information about my audio card. I have here the Orion 32 with 24 in and 24 out. I need to go to the input. I will use only 8 channels to the input, and then I have in 1 is I can put it on send. For example, aux 1 is the same name of in the mixer, the MODEL1, aux 2, and the other one is I only use the aux 1, okay? And this is for the input, and for the outputs I have configured everything with channel 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6. For my mixer, I have these 6 channels. I have return 1. This is the return 1, and the other is the return 2. Okay, I put it on everything here. Okay, and then I will going down to the sample rate because now it's a lot of information. Just I need to be more like safely for my hybrid set because I have a lot of information here with my Traktor and my Ableton. And so with my Ableton Live I have this is my session of the lives, when I play live. So I need to running these two softwares. How I will connect all these softwares with this beautiful platform and beautiful protocol is the link. The link you can connect everything that you want. Just you can connect everything that have link. The everything that in the same network you can connect with the same times, the BPMs and everything. Just it's not master and slave. It's two master or two slave. And if you want to open the Ableton when you are playing with Traktor, it's not problem. Or you can go both together play. Or if you wanna close the Traktor and then you play your live show, no problem too, because all is synchronized. In Traktor you need to put it on here link. With this link you see all the bars, how it's working. At this moment I have this track. For example, this is the beat with the snare, and into my live I have the bass line. Just only the bass line stay now in my Ableton, my live. Other sounds, okay? But I want to put in on some effects in this. I will use the send. I will change the layer because this layer is for Traktor. This is for Ableton. If you look, this sound is from here. You can put in a low cut too. If you don't like the effects, you can just turn off. At this time I have a little loop from Traktor, the bass line from Ableton, the sound effects, and I will show you how it works the audio card. And when I send when I send the music to the input, I get more high, or I can put it on pre-fader and I can move. I will show you the effects. When I move my controller, my K2, hear this. Now I am moving the controller. You look the feedback. I can off if I don't like this, or I can off the beat, the other one, to use only this. this I am working now. I will tell you that I am working with the bass line again, and then to this, the sound effects. And now, if you look, I want to show you how it works, the link. I will move the tempo of the track. Remember, this bass line that I have here stay in the live, and the other one is in Traktor. And I will move more speed or low, and the Traktor will move too. Look. And if I want to move or replace from Traktor, I will move the live, you know? This is so great because you can make it your whatever you want. Just now controlling with this, I will go out from the I have a little compressor for the bass. We don't want more effects for this. And this way I am controlling everything from that I told you. This is so great, work like this. I want to show the audio card. Are you looking? All the channels, the output is working. It's great because when you are thinking in different ways to play your tracks or whatever, just it's a lot of it's amazing, just a lot of things in my head when I want to play. And it's very simple because you have the mixer, you have the little controller like this, and if you want you can use only this controller, but if you're more old school like this, you want to check it out with this, you can use the CDJs with Ableton. So in this sound now I have, for example, I have this bass. With this I will filtering with my filter of the MODEL1. I will just keep my bass line. And now I am close the Traktor. I don't want to use more. It's closing. Now I only with the Ableton. And now I have here the drums. And I change everything to my life. can select whatever you want. Okay, this is all for this workshop. Antelope with Model1, working together with different ways to work with Traktor, with Ableton. Just if you wanna play with record box, it's the same. Just whatever. It's very easy to. I don't know. It's so easy, but we can explain everything here. I think that you like it. Remember to register in our website, mydmc.com, to get a lot of prizes to the end of the conference. See you. Bye bye.